Hi guys, sorry it's been a while since I posted a video. Things have been a little bit hectic, so I haven't had much time to edit together any of my footage or anything. I have filmed everything for the car, but just haven't got around to putting it together to post videos on YouTube. So I just thought I'd make this quick update video, let people see what kind of where I'm at the moment with the Mark 1. And I'll post the videos of the other processes as soon as I get the time. So this is where we're at the moment. As you can see, it's bodywork's all done. Car just needs put back together, needs flattened and polished. And I'm still deciding whether I'm going to wrap it or not. I was thinking I'm going to wrap it black chrome, and just because I haven't seen any ever done before like that, but we'll see. I'm not sure. If you have any comments, please let me know. This is where we're at now. As you can see, it's all painted. Everything's done. All engine bays all done, all the panels sealing and paint, under sealing, bodywork, you name it. And it's kind of just been pushed to the back of the workshop at the moment. Oh, got a new workshop as well. A little man cave. Give you a little tour. There we go. Little working area. Everything needs a little bit of a tidy. Some motorbike tyres. Air-fed mask. A little bit of storage. So it's a little bit of a man cave going on. Love coming down here. And this is where we're at. So as I said, just needs flattened and polished, then put everything else together on it. Got lots of parts on their way. Engine's pretty much done. Just need to put a couple more bits together and then fit it. And I've got a couple other projects on at the moment. I got myself another Mark 1. Series 1, 1978. GLS automatic. I'm not going to give it a full restoration. I'm just going to kind of fix it up, replace the sills, clean it up properly, change all the brakes, brake lines, suspension, wishbones, repair any rust, give it a respray, and see how we're at with that. Hopefully won't take me as long as it's took to do this one. But so keep an eye out and see. I'll post some videos of this. Shouldn't take that long, just waiting for the parts to arrive. Still got all the bikes in here. Wheels for both cars, well, the old wheels. So the Series 1 had BBS wheels on it, and I'm taking them off, putting them back to the standard steel wheels. Basically I'm giving the new Series 1 a make under, returning it back to its original state, because it was lowered. It was pretty much sitting on the ground, and had the BBS, like fake BBS wheels. So just putting it back to the way it should have been. This is the wheels now. They've all been sandblasted and painted. So they'll be going back on it. Could be the right height will be going back up to normal. So it should be nice. There we go. quite a few rusty patches, but most of it actually looks really good. You look in the... I repaired the parcel shelf, it had a sagging parcel shelf, so that's been repaired. Needs a good clean out. But everything's completely original, still has original stereo in it. Carpets, everything's removed just now for it to clean. Plus I'll need to do the sills. You can see kind of a see a little bit here. So some floor pan needs replaced. A little bit of it in our sills. And then under here. So we'll see. There we go. Check out the stereo. Look at the... check out the spare wheel well. It's absolutely mint. So all the bits that kind of normally go on them, they're actually really good on this, except for the sills. So we'll see how it goes. We'll keep you updated if I can. Another little project is this old snap-on toolbox. So I'm going to restore that as soon as I get the chance. All the drawers all work. Couldn't bear to see it looking like this, so we'll soon see. And that's about it. So here we have it, the little No Pro man cave. Got my little couch, all my supplies. There's the old jig off the GTI. Yeah, one of the world's most expensive toilet roll holders. And that's it. Still got these three bikes out here. One of them, the little 69, has a oil seals away. I think it's at the gear change. So have to have a little look at that. See where that's coming from. In my next video, I'll be going to the Scottish Outer Hebrides. This is where I'll be getting my custom made Harris tweed for my GTI's interior. Until then, thanks to all my subscribers and thanks for watching.